What is she doing? What are you doing in here?
Hey friends, so what we're doing today is we're doing a little organizing, and as some of you know, I moved in with Tom in his RV and I brought in my set of dishes and plates and he had his dishes and plates, and we haven't gotten rid of anything yet, so I think today is the day to do that.
A lot.
It's a lot. It's ridiculous.
You gotta check it out.
Yeah, let's go in.
Let's do that. Look at all of that.
So I took everything out of the cupboards. So I am so excited. We're finally working on this and we're going to be getting rid of plates and dishes and cups, and it's just crazy. We have great cabinet space here. It's ridiculous. And we don't need all this.
Exactly. This is a lot. So, and there's not even a dishwasher.
Right.
So basically, we need to like cut this by what, 75%?
Oh, yeah.
And you know, we really don't even have many guests that come over. So if we did, maybe we could use paper plates. Could free up so much cabinet space for other things.
If we keep like this stuff right here that's heavy, which, you know, usually you want to keep something that's non-breakable, because when you travel down the road in this thing, it shakes. It's like going through an 8-hour earthquake.
Yeah.
Right. In one day, every day that you travel. So you don't want breakables, but these I got at the dollar store. So I'm like, if we break it, then we'll just go back to the dollar store and buy another one. Or some of these other things. Where did we get some of these other items?
The thrift
store. I bought a bunch of bright colored plates for my food photography, and I've decided I don't need it.
And some of them were like $1 a piece.
So cheap, it could be easily replaced.
Getting rid of a little bit of weight, maybe 50 pounds worth of 100 pounds, will even help with our fuel economy just a little bit as we're going down
every
the
little
road.
bit helped.
The other thing you can do by giving this away is someone that needs it might be able to get it
from it.
So you can give it to a Goodwill, Salvation Army, whatever charity you want to, a church, and they'll make sure it finds a good home with someone else that needs it. So you can feel good by making a difference for other people at the same time.
Yep. So are you ready to get started? This is the before, behold.
Yeah, check it out. We'll show the after here in just a moment.
Alright, so ta-da! This is our after. I think we did an awesome job. We did keep glassware and plasticware because, as you know, we do a lot of sitting out by the campfire, going to the beach, so we have to have our plasticware.
I think we did really well.
I think we did.
This is about a third, I think, of all of it that we had. I thought maybe we could do 25%. But this is really awesome, and we'll probably trim it a little bit more even going forward. It's like a process. You don't get rid of everything all at once, and you get on the road after a few months, it's like, I don't need this.
We don't need this anymore.
And you maybe thought you did.
Right, and sometimes we do use paper plates and plastic cups just because, we are out at campfire on the beach. So if you have any suggestions, especially for others, how we can be more minimalistic, leave less of a footprint, be more aware of our environment, conscientious about our environment. We'd love your suggestions, so please leave those in the comments below. We do really want to leave a smaller footprint, and we do that already by so many ways. And we live in such a tiny house. We use a lot less electricity, a lot less water. So we're always looking for ways to be kinder to our environment.
So thank you so much for watching this video.
Yeah.
Give it a thumbs up, please. Again, add your comments or questions. Subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
La, 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 la. It's more space, less weight, better fuel. Can always rebuy, thrift shop. I'm going to do t-shirt, not t-shirt.
Okay. Do I have any almonds in my teeth?
What are you doing?
Well, I decided it's time to get rid of some dishes.
Nice.
You ready to help me?
Sure.